Hello friends, in this video I will repair this high quality mouse. So I'm using this for more than 1 year and now it's working, but sometimes when I press the left sometimes it's double clicking, otherwise it's not clicking at all. And it has this problem because this left click it's more used. Right click it's not that. Now let's take apart. We have 4 screws, one here, here, here and here. So we have 4 screws here, here, here and here, and now let's open it. Let's take this connector out. And now you can see it. So the problem is this switch. We have a lot of options. But first of all, let's take this PCB out and check if the weldings are okay, if the switch is yes, this switch has good weldings and this one also has a good weldings. So we have more options. One of the options is to replace the left switch with the right switch, or we can clean this with WD-40, and I will make both of them. So let's take the PCB out. So we have 2 more screws under these parts. So let's take out these plastic parts. Yes, so you have to take this bolt out. After that you will lift this part and now you can see the last screws. So in order to take the PCB out, you have to lift this module. This module is easy to put in, but difficult to take out. Yes, so we took this out. You have to clean it from the dust. And now finally we have access to the PCB. If you want to replace this micro USB with Type-C connector, it's possible now. And I think in the future I will replace this with USB-C when this old connector will be dead. Now you can see the switches. Let's write this one is left and this one is right. Now let's open this cover. And now let's look inside. Now you can see a closer look of inside of this micro switch. Now let's clean the contacts of this micro switch. I will use this. So I've took out this part. Let's clean the contact. It's better to replace this micro switch, but I don't have this to replace. So let's put this back. So the left one is not as healthy as the right, and I will replace one with another because I want to use this at least 1 year with no problem. So it's not easy, but it's possible. Now let's repeat to other one. Now let's test again. This is the left one and this is the right one. The right one is more strong than the left one. So let's replace them. So I put first one on position. Now let's put the second one. You have to be careful and put in this position because otherwise will not work. Now let's test again. That's good. Now let's put everything back together. And I have two springs. I have to find the place for those two springs. If you know where should be these two springs, please write a message. Now I will put this back without those two springs. Now let's put all these screws back and make a test. Later I will glue back these pads, but now let's make a quick test. I have that you hear it. Now this is more strong. Now let's make a test after this repair. I've entered this page, reddragonshop.com, mouse tester, and now let's test it. This is the left one. As you can see, timing it's very good. Right click. That's also good. Forward, back, scroll. You can see also the scroll, it's working perfect. Now you can see I've repaired this mouse. If you have any questions, please put it in a comment. Thanks for watching. Bye.